Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. I'm sorry it's a bit of a drab day on the 1st of August 2025, but that's just how it's been going recently. I thought you'd like to see this beautiful X100 XK8 Convertible 4.2. It's a 2004 on an 04 plate, and it is one of our really good customers' cars. Now this came in quite a few weeks ago now for a bit of a makeover, and we've been hard at work. Just going to go through what we've done on the car. We previously did this customer's blue XJS Celebration Coupe, Sapphire Blue, which was actually videoed a couple of months back now. I'm not sure if you remember that, but you could always look back through our videos and watch that. This is the second car he's had recommissioned with us, and we've done a fair bit of work on it, but the car looks absolutely beautiful in platinum silver with ebony full leather interior. Right, let's just go around. I'll let you have a really good look first, and then I'll explain to you what we've done at it. But this has had the full treatment, the full Malton Motor Company treatment. And we've really enjoyed doing it. It's a beautiful car. I think it's only done about 17 or 18,000 miles from new. So a really rare car in this condition. And you just put that private plate on it as well, which looks good. But it is running, and we've literally just finished it today. Just put the finishing touches on it today, and the gentleman is coming to collect it in the morning, or sorry, around about lunchtime actually. So hopefully he'll be as pleased as I am with it. There you go, you've had a good look there. Right, okay, so when it first came in, we washed it, give it a thorough wash, and then we put some new wiper blades on it. We cleaned all the wheels, detailed all the wheels, and we put 2 new fog lights in the front bumper, because of a lot of these X100s have really foggy lensed fog lights, and they just look a bit off. And this looks such a fresh car. It was a nice car to begin with, but we have really uplifted this car to the next level now by going through it methodically like we do with our own cars. So this guy, like I say, whose car this belongs to, he's always so happy to see our cars and how we do them. He just loves to get us to do our magic, or work our magic on his cars when he's bought them. So as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. I mean, really impeccable car. So again, going back to what we've done. We've done a 4-stage machine polish on the car. We've put discs and pads all round. We've put rear anti-roll bar drop links on it. Again, we put the front fog lights in, new wiper blades. We've fully cleaned, although there's some little bits of dandelion seeds floating about all over it now. We fully refurbished it. Well, we cleaned the roof, and then we fully dyed it and waterproofed it, so that looks really factory fresh now. We put the new number plates on frame. We renovated the front number plates around, because that had all faded and gone white, all the plastic. So we rectified that. We put new wheel centre badges in, the alloys. As you can see, looks factory fresh now, the number plates around. We cleaned all the interior, deep cleaned the whole of the interior. We'll just work our way around from the boot first. And we did a little repair on the passenger seat and recoloured it. Just everything it needed, really. The boot is gorgeous in there. Really clean, as you can see. There's a CD stacker in there, but you can see all the wheel wells absolutely mint, spare wheels perfect, all the boot floors like brand new. So yeah, that's I'll tell you what we did do. We put a new We put a new battery in it as well, and calibrated the windows and put the new radio code in. Just put a towel in there so I didn't get any dirt on the carpets. The customer bought himself some really nice floor mats, so they've been put in there as well. All the wood's been polished, all the leather's been scrubbed and cleaned, back and front. There was also a little job to do on the driver's seat as well, which we had to take out to do that. But yeah, what a car. Anyway, we'll show you underneath the bonnet. Beautiful condition car, that. There you go, you see, it's lovely in there. Just pop the bonnet. Cleaned all inside the door shuts. We just go over the whole car. Cleaned all underneath the bonnet and detailed it for him. It's like brand new now under there. Also, we did the full Dinitrol treatment underneath, so that involves cleaning the whole of the underside of the car off, any like corrosion, and treating it, resealing certain areas, and then we Dinitrol, sprayed it all with Dinitrol, but obviously we bagged the car up, mask it all up and do the job properly. We don't blast, and we don't put black stuff all over. We use the clear Dinitrol as much as we can. It's obviously it's a nice car underneath. You just want to keep it like that. You don't want to just blather everything in black Dinitrol. So yeah, we were pleased with what that looked like underneath the bonnet. So I know he's desperate to get it back because it is the show car season, and I think he's going to enjoy it for the rest of August and also September perhaps, before he puts it away in his garage. But yeah, what a lovely car. First class really. All the jobs have been done on it now. It's just ready to enjoy. So I thought you'd like to see that, guys. If you are interested in having your car recommissioned to that standard, or to the same standard as we do our cars, then give us a shout. We can go through prices and bits and pieces. And you know, if there's bits and pieces that you want to do. We also do headliner replacement in Jaguars as well. We have our own supplier who supplies us with the premium headliners that are made to our specification. They're not the ones that you buy off eBay. We also do mechanical work, servicing and repairs and bits and pieces. And we can also get your alloy wheels powder coated and properly refurbished from start to finish as well. We can get a chrome powder coated chrome finish on wheels. We can get the sparkly silver. We can get black. We can do the diamond cutting as well. We can get that done for you. We can repair chips in windscreens if they're, you know, just minor ones. We can take cars for an independent MOT. Like I say, we do servicing and repairs on all these age Jaguars. There you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and there'll be another video coming along really soon. Bye for now.